Hey, I'm Dennis with TeraFlex. So we're going to talk about the Harbinger a little bit here. We put the Harbinger together. It's kind of a little bit of a different build for me. Usually I'm all, 38-inch tires or 40 with the 6.4 Hemi and all that. This time I went overland. I wanted to do something that was a little more, I don't know, user-friendly for a guy that's just going to go out and hit the trails, go camping with the family, that kind of thing. So, but I wanted it to survive, I didn't want it to break on me, so I made a couple changes. We've got our Epic front bumper on it. Of course, you got a winch rolling on it. We did Nemesis fender flares. We did these, I love Nemesis because they actually fit. You've got no gap in between the body line on them. You look at a lot of them, and they got these huge gaps. It makes me crazy. These guys make a really nice one. We did our dual rate ST sway bar, which gives you the stability. This was a Rubicon, but I pulled off all the Rubicon stuff. It's funny how that works. Sell that and then load it back up again. We did a full float kit. That's an 8-lug conversion with a locking hub on it, but I still kept the 44 in there. I did 488 gears. By doing the full float, it gives you advantage of not having that front drive line spin all the time. So you're not tearing that drive shaft up. And hey, you might squeeze a little mileage out of it if you're lucky. So we've got it all lit up with JW speaker lights on it. This is their new J2, so it gives you the high-end low beam. When you go to high beam, you get both bulbs are still lit up. I always wondered why nobody did that, but that's you got a lot of light coming out of those things. Yeah, we did our rock sliders, TeraFlex's rock sliders. We did our roof rack up here, the Evo roof rack. I like that because it's clean. I can still go through a car wash. I don't have to listen to wind noise. But it's tied to the cage, so it still carries 900 pounds up there. It just works. Say I busted an axle shaft. I just undo these bolts. You can slide that guy out, and it's still sitting on the ground, on the bearing, no axle shaft in it. That's what a full float does for you. It takes all the load off the axle, so you're not going to bend it when you're out there twisting around and working it. It's one of the big problems that we have with the rear end of the JK is that axle getting bent. It happens pretty easily. We had to go back up here and take a look at the Falcons up here. Did the Falcon reservoirs. I've run them, every one of the different Falcons. This one's the new 3.4, so it's got an airline tied to it here, so I can switch it from in the cab from soft to firm with the touch of a button. That's kind of cool to be able to do. You can kind of play with it. Okay, back here. It's all about hanging stuff off the back of your Jeep. Tell me I'm not wrong. I can hang some stuff on the back. I would almost do that. These are Alpine cargo racks. So this has got, this rack gives you, you can throw like 85 pounds on it. It fits the action packers perfectly. It ties to our hinge tire carrier, the Alpha hinge tire carrier. Mounts to the back side of it here. So it carries all the weight on the hinge tire carrier, nothing on your tailgate. So it's quiet, I don't hear any rattles or anything. Pretty nice. We got our Wasatch cargo rack in here. We've all been there. You throw a bunch of junk in the back of your Jeep and what you need is on the bottom. So this gives you a way to stack stuff up. People ask me, how much weight can I put on this rack up here? And I answer, how much do you want to have hit you in the back of the head when you get in a wreck? Personally, I put sleeping bags and loaves of bread up here, but if you want to throw a high lift jack on this thing to come flying for me in a wreck, it's up to you. It'll carry the weight. We got a little fridge back here. This is the guys at Black Forest make a really cool little fridge that rolls out and accesses it nicely. So just a lot of stuff that you can use when you go overlanding. This little tray table, back here. So a lot of fun little things. things and accessories you can throw to them. So that's a quickie of the Harbinger. 44s in the rear as well, 35 spline shafts, 488 gears, and ARB lockers. What else do I see? Like probably let's look.
We got more money.
The interior on it, we did. I just did the red thing on it to give it some color. The guys over at S-Pod, I've got that the touch control for all of my lights and accessories up there. I really like that thing. It's just clean. Just touch it and away you go. ARB compressor under the seat over there on our bracket that we make for them. So it's pretty much set up and ready to rock. That's a lot of words.